Hi everyone. So this is Teshwa. My name is Teshwa Dhanadas. I'm a full-time corporate employee as well as an entrepreneur. I work as a part-time home baker where I run my small bakery business in my local city. So if I have to go back to a short story about me. So I joined corporate sector like 2 years back, and before that I just was doing my graduation, which is of duration of 3 years. And after that, like, this page is particularly about the fitness journey which I'll be taking from today, that is the day one. As I record this video, I count this as the day one to my fitness journey. तो मैं इस साल I turned 24 years this year, and by next year I'll be turning 25 years. And literally, in the past few years, I have ruined my health completely. My weight has gone up from like 70 kilos to 95 kilos. I don't feel like working out because I have multiple things which I have to do simultaneously. Like, I've been doing the corporate job from the past 2 years, and luckily as I was in my hometown, so like I'm commuting on a daily basis to my job. And with that, I started my bakery business during my college days in 2021. So that is also, it has been running since then. And I'm trying to, manage both my job and my bakery business simultaneously. And I am a great procrastinator. Like, I am a very lazy person. If I'm given a lot of tasks to complete, I just become the laziest person in the whole world.
Oh my God.
So ये वीडियो लाने का रीजन है कि I am starting a fitness journey that is like for 230 days till my birthday. My birthday is on 3rd May 2001. So it's not that it will be till my birthday and then the fitness journey is over. This is because I'm starting this just to, commit myself, because I'm presenting myself in the online, and I know a lot of people are committing themselves in the online platforms that they're doing this fitness journey and all. There's nothing new in this because we are trying to be accountable to us as well as to the people who are watching us. So I thought I'll be uploading the videos, like what sort of exercises I'm doing on a regular basis, and what is the food I'm taking. And obviously in this journey, when I'm taking junk food, like कब मेरा cheat day हो रहा है, कब मैं cheat कर रही हूँ अपने आप से, तो होगा ही. I'm a foodie. I love foods, and my business is a cake business. You're just getting the point. Like, मैं केक बनाती हूँ, उसको टेस्टिंग के चक्कर में भी थोड़ा खा लेती हूँ. So I am doing to stop all those nonsense because it's too much now. And ये मैं बना रही हूँ अपने रूम में, and even no one in my family knows, not even my loved ones, that I'm doing this. And I have created a channel that is Pure to Power. And why Pure to Power? Because my body type is pure shape, and I've been always felt so insecure and embarrassed about my body type. I feel like why so much of fat is accumulated in the bottom, and it doesn't feel secure to me for now. But I know if I lose some of my weight, I'll be able to feel confident, and also I'll be having a healthy lifestyle. So this is it, I guess. I don't feel I have anything else to say, but I just want to be accountable, to be more consistent, and to maybe motivate myself first that yes, Teshwa, you're uploading something online people might be watching. Like, I know this is a complete new channel with no subscribers, nothing. But at some point, what if someone watches you and what if they feel motivated and inspired by you? So let's do this, यार. And ऐसा मैं नहीं करूँगी. Hopefully कि अगर नहीं चला तो चैनल ही डिलीट कर दूँगी. ऐसा I hope मैं नहीं करूँगी. I want to do this for a healthy lifestyle, for my healthy body, because medically also I have thyroid issues, so that is also a hurdle I've been facing from the past 2 years to lose weight. एंड उसके साथ ऑब्वियसली मैं फूडी हूँ, तो मैं खा लेती हूँ, मेरे से रखा नहीं जाता. मैं एक हफ्ता डाइट करती हूँ, फिर मैं बंद कर देती हूँ. मेरे से नहीं हो पाता, मैं कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रह पाती, एंड आई लैक अ लॉट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड एक्सरसाइज की बात करूँ, आई वॉज अ कंप्लीट जिम फ्रिक. लाइक एट सम पॉइंट अराउंड 2020 और 2021 मैंने बहुत जिम किया है, एंड आई यूज टू लव जिम. मैं एक दिन भी मिस नहीं करती थी, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता था जिम जाने को एंड जिम में वर्कआउट्स करने को. बट जब से मैं 2023 में जॉब ज्वाइन की, उसके बाद 9 to 5 रूटीन, 14 आवर्स काम, देन अप डाउन के लिए 2 आवर्स, एंड उसके साथ केक के ऑर्डर्स, उसका ऑनलाइन में प्रमोशन, मार्केटिंग, सब ये सब करते हुए मेरे को जान ही नहीं बचा कि मैं एक्सरसाइज का भी स्टार्ट करूं. एंड जिम मैं सोची कि मेरे को जिम पसंद है तो मैं जिम कंटिन्यू करूंगी, मे बी मैं जिम में जाके अच्छा फील करूंगी. इसीलिए मैं सब्सक्रिप्शंस लेती थी, 3 महीने का लेती थी, 1 महीने का लेती थी. 10 दिन से ज़्यादा मैं नहीं जा पाती थी, बिकॉज आई वॉज सो टायर्ड of the work that I've been doing since the morning, like 8 to 8, sometimes 9, and then these bakery works. So it is becoming difficult for me to manage. And with that, I'm taking up another challenge of losing weight before my 25th birthday. So let's see. I hope I'll prove myself that I can do it. I hope you will be a part of this journey and look forward to all the videos that I'll be uploading, and do give your suggestions like where I can improve and what should I add to my videos. Ta-da!